Good medical morning. This is Watson, and this is your medical week in review. First off is this impressive hair in the eye. I'm sure it was a relief to get that one out. Can anyone identify what these plugs are on Grison's knees? This guy waited a week to finally pop this infected pimple. Next is a fun pop that I believe originally came from Lone Win. Click like if you're a fan of her work. This is from Jada Kennedy. She thought it was deodorant buildup. Is it really deodorant? Stick around and we'll discuss. This fan wants to know if they should see a doctor for the burn she got from spilling soup. And TikTok showcased this epidermoid cyst. What do you think? Meanwhile, this tourist stepped on a souvenir they bought from the Statue of Liberty. Ouch. So was this really deodorant or possibly antiperspirant? Experts think it is actually hidradenitis suppurativa. Here are a couple of examples to see what they mean. Hidradenitis suppurativa, or HS, is a chronic or long-lasting inflammatory skin condition that may be caused by malfunctions in the body's immune system. It might start with small pimple-like bumps or boils that show up on or under your skin and can progress to painful abscesses that may eventually burst or rupture and cause scarring. What do you think? Is it HS? Comment below. Finally, can we get a like for Charles, who turned 101? Oh yeah. Now let's take a quick look at Restmore. It's the best sleep supplement on the market. We asked, and here's what you had to say about Restmore.
The cool thing is I wake up refreshed, don't feel groggy.
I slept really well and I have no residual sleepy, drowsy feeling.
Now I am wide awake at work because I sleep well at night. Thanks, Restmore.
That's right, Restmore. More and more people are sending in their testimonials. Better, deeper sleep, all natural and healthy, more energy during the day. Let's hear more.
I've been getting the best sleep ever.
I'm finding myself sleeping all through the night, waking up fresh and rested in the mornings.
Bright and alert. It has changed my life for the better.
I keep hearing from people who've been trying the product, same thing. It just puts them to sleep.
If you haven't tried Restmore yet, it's time to order yours from Amazon. Time to boost your metabolism and kick your energy level into high gear. There you go. When you just need more rest, get Restmore. There's an Amazon link in the description below.